In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Notion AI Notetaker. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by trying to keep all your notes organized, whether they're meeting notes, lecture notes, or just your daily reminders, then this tutorial is for you. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can harness the power of Notion AI to streamline your note-taking and make it more efficient and effective. First things first, let's open up Notion. This might seem pretty straightforward, but it's essential to start from the beginning. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new page. You can call it something clear and specific, like meeting notes or lecture notes. This way, everything's neatly categorized and you know exactly where to find your notes later on. For those of you who like to track multiple notes over time, it might be helpful to add a database to this page. Notion's database feature allows you to manage and organize multiple entries easily. This step is optional, but if you like having all your information consistently stored and easily accessible, it's a great way to go. Before diving deeper into using AI capabilities, it's important to ensure that your Notion workspace has Notion AI enabled. This is crucial because the following steps rely on having those AI functionalities at your fingertips. Now that we've got everything set up and ready, navigate to your note page and locate the Ask AI option. Clicking it will launch the Notion AI experience. At this point, you're ready to start interacting with the AI directly within Notion itself. Whether you want to summarize notes, ask questions, or organize information, Notion AI can be a valuable ally in making sense of your data. With your new page open, start by typing or pasting your notes into the designated notes column or section. Keeping your notes organized in one place is a key part of utilizing Notion to its fullest potential. To begin leveraging AI, you'll want to locate the AI button within the Notes section. Alternatively, you can type the command /AI summarize. This will call on Notion's AI to process the information you've compiled, making quick work of turning disorganized notes into coherent summaries. Finally, choose or type a prompt for the AI. Prompts guide the AI in coming up with tailored responses or actions based on your needs. Whether you're looking to generate a summary, create action items, or organize your notes in a meaningful way, prompting Notion AI correctly will help you achieve just that. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to integrate AI-driven note-taking into your workflow seamlessly. Remember, the more you interact with Notion AI, the more you'll discover about its capabilities and the ways it can make your life easier. Happy organizing!